Alright guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected. Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at this jump starter power bank. I like this box. Comes in a nice box by FLYLINKTEch. Let's open it up, show you guys what you get. Oh, that's good. I love when they come in their own case. Very professional. Nice hard protective case. You definitely want to get a power bank, a power bank jump starter kit that comes in a case. It just makes it more easy to use. Okay, so let's go over a couple things here. You got your charging cables. You have a 12-volt adapter. You have your alligator clamps. Always black is negative, red is positive. So you're going to connect this to your black negative, so the minus symbol on your battery in your vehicle. And we'll show you guys a clip showing you how that works. And here's what everyone wants to see. Wow, this is heavy duty. Take a look at this. Wow, I love this large digital display. That is amazing. Boost. So you press and hold and it kicks on boost mode. Let's see if we can press and hold, turn it off. What boost mode is, well, we'll get to that. So you plug your alligator clamps into there. You have your, for your 12 volt connects in there. You got your 2 USB ports for charging cell phones and then a Type-C port for charging the device. You have a massive light over here. Press and hold to turn that on. Couple settings here. Again, press and hold to turn it off. This will automatically go off, by the way, guys. So what boost mode is? Boost mode is if your battery is completely dead on whatever you're jumping, you would press boost mode. So press and hold, kick boost mode on, and that will allow your, basically send most of the power from the pack in here to your vehicle battery. Overall, very nice, guys. Alright guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.